Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and click all notification option so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I came up with a Women's Day special craft. I'm going to upcycle this old plate. You can even use plastic or ceramic plates or even metal plates. Or you can use a cardboard, cut it into a round shape and use it as a base. Take some white glue, any white glue. Pour some equal amount of water and mix it well. As plastic is not a porous material, to create an ideal base to work with clay, I am covering it with tissue paper. Or you can even cover it with newspaper. If you are going to use newspaper, cut paper into smaller pieces and then repeat the same step. Do watch my video without skipping to know all important steps. Now trim off the excess tissues around the plate and let it dry for some time. Now I am going to make an outline of a woman's face. It's very easy to draw, just follow what I do. Do check the description box to know the list of materials used. Do comment on what you think about this craft. Share it with your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Hope it is clear, but I will show you what I have sketched on the plate. I have outlined this one on the plate. I'm going to make a Women's Day theme based 3D wall decor. So I'm going to use an Adrec clay to work with it. Take some Adrec clay, some white glue and some water. Apply glue and fill the outline with clay. Use water and glue to blend the clay. Consider subscribing my channel for more amazing craft ideas. Don't directly stick the clay, apply glue and then fix it. Always keep patience when you work with clay. Use water and Fevicol to blend them. Now make coil-like structures and fill the remaining space. Now let's make other details. For making a book, flat some clay, just cut it at the ends and fold it like this, apply Fevicol and stick it. To hold the shape, I'm just rolling some tissue paper and placing there. Once dried, you can remove that. And for pages, I'm just repeating the same step, apply Fevicol and fix it. For kitchen utensils, I'm going to make cooking spoons and some basic utensil. For cooking spoon, just take some clay using any round tip, just press it like this and make a handle. Apply Fevicol and then stick it. And then for a laptop, just flat some clay, cut it as I do, apply Fevicol and fix it. For textures, use any sharp tool. Now for a clock, flat some clay, use any Fevicol cap and cut it into a round shape, apply Fevicol and fix it. I will explain the theme at the end. For a mobile phone, I'm just making like this. To make another kitchen utensil, just do like this. To make a home, take a cardboard and cut it like this. Apply Fevicol and fix it. Roll some clay and highlight the corners. That's all about the clay part. Let it dry for some time. Drying time depends on what type of fabric clay you are using. So this is how it looks once dried. Now let's paint it. I'm going to use these 4 colors to give a bright background. So first color is a flesh tint color. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. At each starting point of another color, blend it with the previous one. Then I'm using a lemon yellow color. Finally, I'm using a dark purple. The paint may get applied to the clay work. That is totally fine because I'm going to let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes and then going to give another color for the clay work. I'm going to use acrylic black for the clay work. Now paint the other details with colors that go well with background color. For clock, I'm using a teal blue color. For the corners of the book, I'm using a red color. For cooking utensil, I'm using a teal blue. You can use any colors you wish. Make sure that go contrast with your background colors. Or you can follow the same colors I use. Give some details on the clock. Now to highlight some of the objects, I'm going to use pearl white color. It is a metallic color which will give you a shiny look. I'm using it for clock, kitchen utensil and a laptop. Now one last step which is completely optional. Take some golden metallic color in a brush, wipe it completely in a cardboard and highlight the corners of the woman's face with golden color. Also those coil structures with a metallic golden color. I'm going to highlight the lips using pearl pink color. And with a 3D outliner or a thin brush, write it as born to multitask. Yes, the theme is a multitasking women. As a woman, one has to maintain time, has to study, cook, take care of your work, take care of your home, maintain your friends and family. In this special day, I want to highlight the super quality of women. So I wish every woman a happy Women's Day. And that's all about the craft. Do try this. Do comment on what you think about this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.